we just stopped because there was a loud noise coming from the trailer. We help. My dad's front tire is destroyed. This one's back tire is destroyed, and this one's bent. Mine and my mom's are fine though, thankfully.